In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use path exploration in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll understand what path exploration is built for, how to get to it quickly, and how to read the visualization so you can uncover where users go, where they drop off, and which journeys matter most. First, head to analyticsgoogle.com. Once you're in your GA4 property, you'll land on the familiar interface with your reports on the left. Make sure you're in the correct property and data stream for the site or app you want to analyze, so the insights match the experience you care about. Next, look to the left-hand navigation and choose Explore. This area is your sandbox for deeper custom analyses that go beyond the standard reports. It's where GA4 gives you powerful tools to answer nuanced questions about behavior, conversion paths, and engagement without needing to build complex dashboards elsewhere. From here, choose Path Exploration. This opens a visual canvas that maps out how users flow from one event or screen to the next. Think of it as a branching storyline of user behavior. You'll see a starting point at the left and a series of nodes that expand to the right. Each node represents an event or screen, and the connections show the paths people most commonly take after that point. The bigger the numbers, the more users followed that route. As you look at the tree, notice how it helps you spot both popular journeys and points of friction. A strong cluster around a key action might confirm that your navigation is working well. A sharp drop-off could highlight confusion, slow performance, or missing content. This view is especially helpful for understanding what happens immediately before or after important milestones, like viewing a product, starting checkout, or engaging with a feature. Use the on-screen controls to expand or collapse steps so you can zoom into a specific path without getting overwhelmed. Hovering over a node typically reveals counts and percentages, which helps you compare branches at a glance. If you need more focus, apply filters or comparisons to narrow the audience, such as looking at a particular device category or traffic source and see how their paths differ. Remember, the date range you set in GA4 applies here too, so a tight window is great for diagnosing recent changes. That's all it takes to get to path exploration and start interpreting it with confidence. Use it regularly to validate design choices, prioritize fixes, and discover the journeys that drive real outcomes.